So here we go with a problem on a cones. So we'll insert a new sheet and we'll paste the problem. So the problem goes like this. You can read: a cone of 50 mm diameter and 60 mm length rests on one of its generator. So here you have to make a note, it is resting on HP with one of its generator. So this generator is nothing but, when you compare to the pyramid, it is a slant edge. Okay, so now draw its projection when the axis is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. So now it is VP, axis is inclined, so that is nothing but a locus line problem. You have to find a beta, it is a 30 degree. Okay, so these are the things what we need. So to start with the problem, a cone looks like a circle from the top. So here you are not going to see any slant edges because only the apex is visible, just like a point. So you need not to even mark that one. So we'll say this is x and this is y as usual. So we'll zoom this area, select this point and drop it at the midpoint. Fit to the screen, again zoom, so select this and drop it here, so fit to the screen. Now here we have a, in the draw toolbar we have a circle center point, so you take a circle. Okay, so there they have mentioned, and here it asks for a diameter, you just give diameter as a 50. So this is how exactly it is visible. So take this one and then make it dark. Now so in order to have a convenient marking, so we need to divide this circle into 8 parts. So in order to do that one, first you need to take a line, okay, 0.13, and so from the center you just drop one line like a radius. Okay, then select this line, and here you can see a pattern. You have to select a circular pattern, and here we will ask like the count is a 8. Okay, so the angle is a 360. Write 360, and once you write this one, so you have to click for the center. So which is the center? This is the center, and you click a finish. Now you can see this is how exactly it will come. So draw the radius. Once you select the radius, this pattern will get highlighted, and here you have to give 8 parts and a 360 degree and a finish. So once this one is done, so go with the naming. Okay, so here we have a A, so this is a B, so this is a C, so this is a D, E, F, G and H, and here we have O in the bracket, O1. Okay, so now just zoom this area, go to the select, have this one and keep it little bit outside, and this also little bit down or up. So fit to the screen. Now we need to project upward. So when we look the cone from the front view, so it looks like a triangle. Okay, so one point, so each point will go through the same one. So here we get a second one and third one, and so with the H it passes through the B and till to the XY line, and this is a. So once this one is done, so this is it is something like a pyramid only. So first you have to take it from the center and 0.35, and the length they have given it's a 60 and 90. Okay, so once this one is done, take a normal line, dark, so it looks like a triangle. So connect each point, connect to the each point and here. Okay, so if you want, you can show these lines with a thin line. If you don't want, you can just keep it like that also. You want, you can show with the thin line. Okay, those are just a reference to drop that one in the next view. So now go to the smart dimension. So click on this and this one, and click on the circle and click it. Okay, so now to the naming. So as already we said, we'll see from this side. Okay, so G, H, A, F, E are near to me, so those things we have to mark it here. So this is my A dash, and this is the H dash in the bracket, B dash, and here it's a G dash in the bracket, C dash, close the bracket, again in the bracket it's a O1 dash. Okay, so here it's a F dash in the bracket, T dash, and the last one here we have a E dash. So just zoom this area, and here we have O dash. Okay, so now zoom this again. So this is E, keep it a little bit outside. This is F and D. So this is, you can place it here. So this is G, C and O1 dash, and this is a dash, and this is a H dash and a P dash. Okay, so if you want, you just reduce the size to 3.5, so it will get reduced. So because the space is not so available, so you can just select the font size and give it as a 3.5 also. Then we can see here H dash. Okay, so this is how exactly we can place it here. So this is how exactly a cone looks like. So this is the first position. So second position, what it says, it is resting on the generator. Already we know generator is nothing but a slant edge. So this is A and O dash. So select a cone, go to the move command. So take a careful and place it here, and now go to the rotate. So carefully A and O, place it on the XY line. Now you move this one little bit, copy of OTR. This is how exactly. So now for a timing, you delete these namings, and just zoom this part and move these things. A, HB, this is F and D dash, and the last is a sort. Click once it appears with this plus mark, press Ctrl and drag, it will copy. So when this much is done, fit to the screen. So now we need to go with the projections. So first, as we know, like a right extreme one, O. So O is here. So click to the O. So next it's a E. So E is on this point. Okay, so next is F and D. So D is here. So press tab and 90 degree, you will get clearly. So one is a D and one is a E. And next is a C. Next it's on O. Next it is a G. So next H and B. So B is on this point and H is on this point. Last one we go with the A. So A is E. Okay, so now just zoom this part properly. Okay, go to the text command, or else you can select and write it here. So this is O and here it's a O1. So starting from here this is A, so B, so this is a C, this is a D, this is a E, this is a F, this is a G, and this is a H. Okay, just check it out, H and B, so everything is proper. So now one thing to be remembered is, so now we have to draw with the curve method. We can't go with the ellipse, so we have to go with the curve method. So you need to switch off here maintain relationship and you have to zoom this part properly. Okay, so now curve, so go with the A, B, C and D, E, F, G, H and A. So this is our example. Means so you might have observed you should have only the end point symbols here. So and this tool in the tools maintain relation should be in the off condition. So now a line and a dot. So from the O to the tangent symbol. So you can see here tangent symbol. You just drop and go to the trim command and zoom this area and trim this part. So this is how exactly it is visible. Okay, so same, if you want you can just drop a line like this with a tangent. So just zoom this part. Okay, now go to the trim. This is how exactly it is visible. Or else you can do one thing, there is a one more method. You just delete this one, go to the move command here itself. Here there is a mirror. Okay, so select the one which you want to mirror and this is the midpoint. This also you can do. So this is the easiest where you can do the things. Now the axis is inclined, so we already know the initial length is a 60. So now we need to measure what is the axis length in the second position. So let's have this line. Go to the split command in the trim. You just zoom this part, this line till here. Okay, so now just select this and mark it as a center line. Okay, so we need the distance between O and O1. Okay, so 55.36. so this is what exactly we need, the axis length in the first position and the axis length in the second position. Now take a line 0.13, they have given it's a 30 degree, so take any line, so tab minus 30, enter, just drag it. Okay, so now go to the arc center point. So first is a 60, you take it from anywhere, so it's a 60, draw an arc and again the trim command, extend to next, you extend this line. Okay, so next take a line, so from this end point draw one horizontal line. So this is what we say, it's a locus line. Okay, now we need to have one more arc with this 55.38. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll zoom this much and the same center point will have 55.38. Start from anywhere and end it here. Okay, now take a line from this end point to this circle and go to extend to next and extend this one. So now go to the angle between. So we marked the angle as 30, first one. So now after this one, so we draw the locus line and we found out the angle as a 33. Okay, so this is exactly what we need. So we need to write the answers. For that one, what we have to go, text character map, a window will appear. Okay, so here you have to find where is beta, select is equal to 33 degree, select. Okay, copy, go to the text, place it, paste. So this is what exactly we need, this answer, place it here. Okay, so now close this character map. So now we need to move this cone. Okay, so select everything inside the lines also. So before that one, so we need select this cone properly, go to the move command. So I have a copy this apex, that is a O. Okay, so now zoom area, zoom this part, so place this one to the center point of a arc. Now rotate this one, same apex and O1. O1. So this is how exactly we can mark things. Okay, so now if you want, you just select this, deselect this O because it should be in the drawing area. So go to the move command, take this point and just drag it. So copy should be off, select, deselect Y, move, origin should be moved. So select this one. Okay, so now, so A is a B, C, D, F, G, H and O. So we'll take from here so text, and here it should be time. So this is a B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So just zoom this area. So now we need to drop a line from a C and to the A. So this line you have to mark. So that is what is missing here. Now again take a projection. So we'll go one by one. So we'll start with the A. So A is on the XY line. So A. So we'll go with the B end point. So just zoom this area. So where is B? B is at this end point. So B is here. And C. Then D on this line, D, and E, and F, E and H, and that's it. So next is the O. O is on the XY line and a O1. Okay, so now we'll go with the naming. So where is A? A is here, A dash. So B is here, it's a B dash. C is here, it's a C dash. And D is here, it's a D dash. E is here, it's a E dash. F is here, so we have missed that F. So F is here. So this is a F dash, and this is a G dash, and this is a H dash, and this is O1 dash, and this is a O dash. Okay, now so when I see from here, okay, so the whole square circle base is visible, that is cone base. So again, cone, there's a curve. Okay, so you start from any point, we'll say like B to the C to the D, okay, to the E to the F. Again, be careful, select only the end points and the H and A and D. Okay, so this whole thing is visible, so make it dark. Okay, now take a line, dark line, okay, from the O, let's drop a tangent. One more line from the O to the E. So this is how exactly it is visible, and left with the center line, it's a 0.35 O to the O1 and save it. So what are things to be noted here is in the tools relationship, maintain relationship should be in the off condition, and only you should have the end points. If you get an intersection or a point on a line and all, so this will not work, that is the curve. So be careful and have those two things in your mind. So one, maintain relationship off, and only the end point symbol where you can do the curve. If not, it will not work. Okay.